How introverted is the maintenance in Pakistan? Such a torn wheel drum axle head only uses scraps. It is no wonder that their parts suppliers cannot survive. And the equipment asked the master to splice and repair the axle head. For the experienced master, it is as simple as an itch. In order to create a good maintenance environment for the follow-up, the oil stains must be cleaned first. Obviously, in this case of severe deformation, simple welding can no longer meet the use requirements. After simply measuring the inner diameter of the axle head, Fu also found a steel pipe directly at the scrapyard. In this way, the overlapping and docking solution can be realized. The broken part can be restored to its original shape, and the strength of the head will not be affected. Considering the need to splice the steel pipe on the axle head, the cracked part must be cut in the first step. The main purpose is to completely remove this section to prevent the potential cracks from spreading later. After processing the end face to make a plane, in order to make the steel pipes concentric and coaxial, Fu must use the embedded overlapping method to embed the steel pipe into the axle head. This is also the reason why the master cuts and expands the inner wall. However, there are risks in simply tapping and hard connection. In order to allow the steel pipe to be embedded vertically, the entire inner wall must be processed with splicing threads so that the welding rod can only be welded on the surface groove. The bite of the inner wall thread can also provide a force-bearing surface. With the master using the hole cutter to process, the inner wall now has a 1.5 internal thread. If you want to seamlessly connect this section of steel pipe, you must first make a cutting mark on the round steel according to the length of the shaft head cut off. Only in this way can the shaft head be restored to its original length. The difference is that the steel pipe needs to be threaded and embedded for docking. On this basis, the embedded step must be marked so that it can be rotated and tightened later. The data of this section is calculated in the inner pipe splicing length so that it will not be too short. Then use their high-end cutting groove cutter. This section of steel pipe can be quickly divided into two steps that need to be spliced with the shaft head. The newly processed thread inner diameter cuts the steel pipe as a whole so that it can be spliced with the shaft head tightly. Although the processing of this step looks very simple, but the most important thing is the processing accuracy. After the thread cutter's meticulous processing, in order to make the steel pipe threaded butt joint, the same thread must be processed on the surface of the step so that the thread bite effect can be achieved. Considering that cutting will also produce fine burrs, the thread must be polished with the wrong cutter to ensure that the subsequent butt joint will not be stuck. Then the two can be assembled together. Although their threads are not measured with thread gauges, the master can make the pitch completely consistent. This is inseparable from the rich experience of the 8-level predecessors. After confirming that there is no error, the Han strip is directly used to fill it. Since the Han Street groove has been reserved in advance, the whole process is also going smoothly. The larger the Han Street area, the stronger the strength. The steel pipe of the Han Street through the Han strip has become part of the shaft head. When the bushing needs to be installed inside, the combination of micrometer and gauge is used for measurement. The two can also fit tightly. The master's repeated measurement action shows that they are rigorous in controlling the data. Then the sweat scar on the surface is cut to restore the appearance of the shaft head round field. Can it improve the aesthetics of the steel pipe joints? This cracked and scrap wheel axle head can be replaced with a simple steel pipe. The steel bar head, the connection is complete. What do you think of the Pakistani master's skills?